Ever wonder why birds throw a full-blown concert at sunrise? It's not just for fun. New research shows dawn is prime time for serious bird business. At first light, the air is cooler and less chaotic, so sound travels farther. That means when your cockatiel or a wild robin belts it out, more birds hear it. Males are marking territory, flirting with mates and basically saying, "This tree's taken and I sing better than you." Scientists also found it's a warm-up, like vocal yoga before the day gets busy. So next time your bird chirps at 6 a.m., remember, it's not noise, it's strategy. Want more cool bird facts? Check out the $1 Safe Food Guide, link in the channel.